Ever found yourself wishing your travel budget could stretch just a little bit further? Or maybe you know a fellow globetrotter who could seriously benefit from a seamless, multi-currency travel wallet. Well, what if I told you there's a way for both of you to win? We all know the hassle of juggling different currencies, the sting of hefty exchange rates, and the constant worry about hidden fees when you're exploring a new corner of the world. That's where YouTrip swoops in, offering a fantastic solution with its multi-currency card and app. It's like having your own personal, borderless bank account right in your pocket, allowing you to spend like a local in over 150 currencies at potentially better exchange rates than traditional methods. Plus, you can lock in those favorable rates beforehand, giving you more control over your travel spending. Pretty neat, right? Now, imagine amplifying those benefits, not just for yourself, but for your travel buddies too. That's where the magic of the YouTrip referral program comes into play. It's a simple yet rewarding system designed to spread the word about this travel essential while putting a little something extra back in your and your friends' pockets. So, how exactly does this referral sorcery work? It's actually quite straightforward. As a YouTrip user, you have a unique referral link or code associated with your account. Think of it as your personal invitation to the YouTrip community. When you share this link or code with someone who hasn't used YouTrip before, and they successfully sign up for a YouTrip account using your referral, that's where the good stuff happens. The exact rewards can vary, so it's always a good idea to check the latest YouTrip referral program details within your app. Typically, though, both you, the referrer, and your friend, the referee, will receive a bonus. This could be in the form of a direct cash credit added to your YouTrip wallets, or perhaps a discount on your next overseas transaction. It's a win-win situation. Your friend gets to experience the convenience and cost savings of YouTrip, and you get a little thank you for bringing them on board. The process is usually incredibly user-friendly. Within the YouTrip app, you'll likely find a dedicated section for referrals. Here, you can easily copy your unique referral link or code and share it through your preferred channels, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, email, or even just by verbally telling your travel-loving friends about it. For your friend to successfully use your referral, they'll typically need to click on your unique link or enter your code during the sign-up process. Once they've completed their registration and potentially met any initial requirements set by YouTrip, like activating their physical card or making a first transaction, the referral reward will usually be processed and credited to both your accounts. It's important to note that referral programs can sometimes have specific terms and conditions. These might include a time frame within which your friend needs to sign up after receiving the referral, or a minimum spending requirement they need to meet. So, while the core idea remains the same, you share, they sign up, you both get rewarded, it's always wise to familiarize yourself with the current rules outlined in the YouTrip app to ensure a smooth and successful referral. Think about it, you're already enjoying the benefits of hassle-free travel with YouTrip. Why not share that experience and let your friends in on the secret? It's a fantastic way for them to save money and travel smarter, and you get a little boost to your own travel funds as a thank you. It's like a virtual high five for being a great travel buddy. So, next time you're chatting with a friend about their upcoming trip or they're complaining about exchange rates, remember your YouTrip referral link. It's more than just a link, it's a gateway to easier, more affordable travel for them, and a little something extra for you to fuel your own adventures. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.